Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to allow automatic documents for videos on the WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. If you've noticed that videos sent as documents are no longer being downloaded automatically, don't worry. With just a few adjustments in your settings, you can enable this feature again and make your experience more seamless. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you've installed the latest version so that the new update and features are available. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll notice the familiar gear-shaped icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to open up all the configuration options. Inside the settings menu, you'll see several categories, but the one we want to focus on is labeled Storage. This section controls how files are handled within WhatsApp, including photos, videos, and documents. Select Storage, and you'll immediately see the available options for managing your media. Next, scroll until you find the option for Documents. This is the key setting that allows your received files to automatically download without you having to click each time. By default, this option may be turned off after the update, which is why many users are finding that videos sent as documents are not downloading as they used to. Simply check or enable the box next to Documents, and your changes will be saved instantly. From now on, anytime a contact sends you a video as a document, WhatsApp will automatically download it into your system just like it used to. This saves you time and ensures that you don't miss out on important files shared with you. And that's it. Just 4 quick steps. Open WhatsApp, click the gear icon, go to Storage, and check Documents. Now you can enjoy videos sent as documents without any extra clicks or delays. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to apply these changes right away and take advantage of the smoother experience WhatsApp's latest update offers.